I'm here with my sister named Reyna, and today we're going to show you how to make a mud volcano. So the ingredients we need to use are, so first we have to make it the cup surrounded by mud, and then after that we have to use vinegar and pour it to the top of the cup. After that we have to use food coloring. You could use it, it's optional. If you wanted to make it like red color, you could use it so it could how it will explode. And last part, you could put you have to put pure baking soda, and you could put 1 spoon, but you could put more than 1 spoon even if you want it to go on for longer. And now that we know the ingredients, now we're going to pour the vinegar inside. So now my little sister, she's going to pour some food coloring inside so it could make color, and she has to mix it, please. Okay, now the last part is you have to put some baking soda. So, it usually works with baking soda. So I will pour some, and then I'm going to pour another one so you guys could see it very well. If you want to tilt it, you could do it to the other side. So, hope you enjoyed it, and put a thumbs up on our video and subscribe to our channel. Bye! Bye!